Today, businesses are driven by data. They are looking to AI for future success. Cloudmile is here to build a future of shared success for all business.
Or they have a physical store that want to extend their services to reach online customer.
iCook was established in 2011. Since then, over 6 million online visitors each month with over 200,000 recipes.
透过 Google Map 的图资应用，信义房屋能够更有效地提供物件周遭的生活资讯。
Businesses that leverage AI in the cloud set themselves up with a huge critical advantage.
I think the first challenge is the lack of experience on Google Cloud service.
After consulting with Cloudmile technical consultants, they recommend Cloudflare Firewall, which has already blocked over 200,000 virus attacks.
Cloud Platform provides us a flexible infrastructure that we can scale in and out with just a few clicks.
不仅协助排除信义房屋在线上体验全面改版时遇到的相关障碍，更能够有效地依据客户需求的地点资讯，及时派件给第一线同仁接手，大幅降低网络客服团队营运跟时间成本。
Cloudmile met our initial expectation by providing technical support 24/7 and uninterrupted maintenance and updates.
Cloudmile bridges the gap of digital transformation, and we are so proud to be part of digital breakthrough in different industries.